Coming up, and some of you parents may be thinking about what you want to get your little ones. Well, News 3's Crystal Allen had the chance to chat with Clark from the parenting blog Devotedly Daddy about some toys that you can get your little one to inspire a budding entrepreneur.
The first, who wouldn't like to go on tour with their rock star child one day? I know I would. Lou Guitars at LouGuitars.com make these fantastic learn-to-play guitars for super young kids as young as 3, electric guitars for older kids, all supported by apps and web content that really make it easy for them to learn to play.
Oh, that's so cool. Hey, who doesn't want to rock out with their future rock star kid, right?
We should all be so lucky. And it doesn't just have to be the gifts and the toys. Old World Christmas at oldworldchristmas.com. These are the finest handmade, mouth-blown glass Christmas ornaments you could hope for. They become family generation traditions for years and years. They often get, their heirlooms, but they have a whole series of professional ornaments. If your child is a budding fireman, a judge or a lawyer, a chef, a scientist, you can use your tree decorating tradition to help fuel that passion for them. Again, oldworldchristmas.com.
Oh my goodness, I love that. The ornaments, so they can kind of see it throughout the Christmas season and thinking, oh, this is kind of cool. I might want to be that when I grow up.
Yeah, exactly. And it's not just about playtime and tree decorating. Evening book time, or even just, we're all guilty of letting our kids go nuts with the iPads. Give them the Britannica All New Kids Encyclopedia from What on Earth Books at whatonearthbooks.com. Everyone grew up with Encyclopedia Britannica, but that brand is actually more relevant than ever. They've taken all the information kids need to learn about topics, science, engineering, history. It's all here in one place, laid out in a truly visually stunning way. What I love most about this brand new Kids Encyclopedia, the subtitle is What We Know and What We Don't. In each topic, they lay out the elements that are still unknown, and your child might be the one to go figure it all out.
Ooh, I like that, and I love the visuals too. So engaging, Clark.
Yeah, everyone knows STEM is huge right now. So many of our kids want to be scientists and engineers, but there's a place where the passion doesn't meet up with, is it fun enough for them? I can't believe I'm endorsing this. I'm sorry in advance, but what kid would not want to use their budding STEM skills to build, a burp and fart machine? My sons are in love with this. eBlocks. Go to myeblocks.com. You can use STEM skills to build your very own burp and fart machine.
You're so funny. You're like, I apologize ahead of time as a dad, but listen, it's for educational purposes.
Yeah, we'll never know why kids love these bodily functions so much, but let's face facts, they do. I think at some point, every single child wants to be a veterinarian, and I personally believe that fostering a love for animals is one of the most important things we can give to our children. It fosters empathy across their entire life. Schleich, the world's leading manufacturer of animal figurines and play sets, makes a veterinarian set as part of their Farm World line. I have it here, and you can, super realistic animal figurines, the veterinarian. Kids can get lost in imaginative play for hours, imagining what it might be like to have their own veterinary practice one day. And lastly, nothing inspires like the outdoors. My son would love to be a park ranger one day, and B4 Adventure at b4adventure.com, they make a adventure tree house that you can camp out in, that you can climb trees with, that will just truly make your kid explore those outdoors and think of all the possible careers that involve the outdoors one day.
Oh, Clark, such a great selection of toys. And I like it. It's not just stuff the kids want to play with, but things that can really contribute to their growth and